Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunchi. This is Cooking with Kunchi, and today we have something a little different. We're going to be testing the Asmoke Essential. I don't have plans to cook on it today, but I'm definitely going to do a burn off and do a walkthrough, show you guys around the smoker and see what you guys think. I want you guys to drop in the comments if you are interested in this smoker. Let me know what you guys think, how you would use this. Would this fit in your routine at all? So this smoker is battery operated. It is fully digital, comes with an app with really cool interface. The display panel on the front is pretty awesome. So let's go through this thing. So the Asmoke Essential is a pellet grill that is fueled by a 5-pound hopper and powered by a battery. This battery right here is USB-C rechargeable. I have already gone ahead and powered that up, so we're gonna go ahead and check this machine out. This is the drip pan right here, the little drip tray that goes in there. Now this has dual sensors, dual thermometers. That means it will be extremely efficient, and it also comes with 2 meat probes to probe different pieces of meat. The pellet is a 5-pound hopper, like I said, and we're just gonna walk through this thing very first time. This grate, I'm gonna make sure I put the numbers on the screen. Also has this little step up grate here. It goes in like that. So overall, a really neat piece of equipment. I can't wait to put this through the paces. Gonna take it out, do a little bit of tailgating with it, and we will definitely report back to you guys about how this thing works. So when we're looking at the inside of this unit, we can see this is the heat shield right here. Right, and there you have your fire pot. That's where the auger drops the pellets in. It also has the little grease catch right here because the deflector is on a slanted gradient going this way. Now if you want to sear, you can open this, and this exposes the fire pot so you can sear a steak or anything right here. Now this will go up to 500 degrees on sear mode, so we're definitely going to do a couple steaks with that. The grates feel very sturdy, some heavy duty stuff, and as far as as far as portable grills go, this is a lot of room. A lot of pellet grills, they either have the hopper in here, the portable grills, or it's just not that much room, but you also have this little step-up shelf, which I think is going to be remarkable to work with. So I know you guys have been waiting, so let's get this thing powered up. So we're basically, when you push the battery in, I think I did that right. Oh, there you go. So basically, when you push the battery in, it sends the signal, and now we're gonna go through it. I'm first going to connect this to my Wi-Fi and make sure it connects to my phone. So we'll be right back. So our grill is connected to the Wi-Fi. My app is connected, so we're gonna go through this thing, but let's get some pellets in here and get this thing warmed up. So the Asmoke Essential is up and running. We are going to be doing a bunch of different things with it over the next couple of weeks. So make sure you guys stay tuned. As usual, I love hearing what you guys have to say in the comment section. So please let me know what y'all think about this pellet smoker and would you try it? Follow for more, y'all.